In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace UBlock origin in Chrome, which can be particularly useful if you've been experiencing issues or simply want to explore alternative options for ad blocking. Let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly transition to a new solution without much hassle. First, we'll need to access the Chrome Web Store, which is the one-stop destination for discovering extensions that can enhance your browser experience. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing chrome.google.com/webstore into the address bar and hitting enter. If you already have the web store bookmarked, feel free to click on it directly. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search bar prominently positioned at the top left corner. This is where you can find all the different extensions available. Now we'll search for a new ad blocker that aligns with your needs. In the search bar, type in ad blocker and press enter. You'll be presented with a variety of options, each with its features and user reviews. It's important to take a few moments to evaluate the choices. Look for extensions with high ratings and a large number of users, as these indicators often reflect reliability and effectiveness. Some popular alternatives to UBlock origin include AdBlock, AdGuard, and Ghostery. Reading through user reviews can also provide insights into any potential issues or advantages you might experience. After selecting an ad blocker that seems suitable, click on its name to open the details page. There you can learn more about the extension's features, its developer, and any permissions it might request. Review this information carefully to ensure it meets your expectations and privacy concerns. If it all looks good to you, click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. This dialog box will list the permissions the extension requires to function. If you feel comfortable with these permissions, click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a small icon appearing next to the address bar in Chrome. This indicates that the ad blocker has been successfully added to your browser. It's usually represented by a symbol related to ads or privacy. Click on this icon to open the ad blocker's interface. Many extensions offer customizable settings, so take a moment to explore these if you'd like to fine-tune how it operates. Most modern ad blockers are set to automatically block ads right out of the box, but additional features like whitelisting certain websites or adjusting blocking levels can enhance your experience. Finally, it's a good idea to test the new ad blocker to ensure it's working effectively. And there you have it. A fresh ad blocking solution seamlessly integrated into your Chrome browser. Enjoy your new browsing experience, now uninterrupted by unwanted ads.